Okay, this is my experience using a laser hair removal kit at home for the first time ever. It came with a razor. It wasn't really good, but it gets the job done. Oh yeah, it came with goggles as well for some protection from the light. I used it on intensity level 1 because it's my first time using it, and I used the underarm mode. I was pretty nervous, but overall it was a pleasant experience, I would say. There was no pain, no burning sensation. It was also pretty quick, actually. I guess because the underarm area is not that big. My other underarm will be my control for comparison. Not going to use the treatment on that one. So stay tuned for updates and subscribe to my channel.